Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Thursday, January 24th, and it's also Belly Love Day. I'm Vilde.
And I am Freja, and here are your morning announcements.
Next Thursday, we will start our Tet celebration assembly during period 1 for E4 to grade 1. On Friday, we will have our annual Tet Fair starting period 1 for the whole primary school.
A tournament of minds practice in the Makerspace today from 3 or 5 to 4:30 p.m.
The students' representative team SRT is going into their last week of organizing the Tet Shoebox April drive, which helps those in need this holiday.
Track and field training will take place this week. Check with the coach for which events are training on which day.
There will be Gymnastics Team training Monday at 3:15 to 4 p.m.
This year, ISHCMC is hosting the Across Asia Youth Film Festival at the secondary campus. More details can be found at aayff.com.
Makerspace is open to grade 3s and Studio 4 students today during morning recess. The Makerspace is now on the second floor by the library.
Joke of the day. What cup can't you drink from?
What?
A hiccup.
Random fact of the day. You will likely get 10,000 small cuts, bruises, and sprains in your lifetime.
The mindfulness quote of the day is being defeated is often a temporary condition. Giving up is that what makes it permanent unknown.
That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a terrific Thursday.